Hello and welcome. Today in a Tesla, because Tesla has a special leather. They call it vegan leather or vinyl artificial leather, something like this. What we did, we create a new kit especially for this kind of leather, that you can keep it clean and nice for a long time. What is inside the kit? A special cleaner with a cleaning sponge, and for heavy stains like jeans dye transfer or something else, a cleaning brush, and also we have a viscose cloth, what you use to apply the protector. The protector is not a conditioner, it's a sealant product. This sealant product helps to keep the leather clean for longer, and to clean it, if it comes dirty, to clean it easier. But how to use, I will show you now. Cleaning process is done. I use the brush just on the polster here on the passenger seat and driver seat, where with a little bit jeans dye transfer to remove that very well. So clean with it, wipe the cleaner and the dirt from the surfaces, let it dry, and then apply a thin and even layer of the protector. Thin and even as a main thing, so less is more also in this case. And yeah, I will do this now. You will see some pictures, and have fun to clean and care your own Tesla or anything else where you find vegan leather.